Meta Quest Pro, step into the future. Although nearly everyone still refers to it as Facebook, altering its official term to Meta indicates just how much the corporation, or at least CEO Mark Zuckerberg, understands that the metaverse is the future of computing and society. After a few months of promotion and buzz, some of the descriptions around the metaverse have died down a bit. There is even an announcement that Meta itself is taking a step back to indicate its grand proposals. That's not to explain that Meta has given up on those intentions though, and it is, in fact, making an even enormous wager on that future. It has only launched a modern mixed reality headset that aims to take the metaverse beyond sports and entertainment. Still, it holds up at a rather high rate that nearly makes that wish even more inaccessible for most people. So, how is Meta evolving and stepping into the future with Meta Quest Pro? Let's find out, and for more tech videos like this, stay tuned with Techque or else you'll miss out. Here we begin! The Meta Quest Pro is the latest headset to succeed from the corporation formerly known as Facebook. It incorporates two of its crucial designs and techniques when it arrives in virtual reality. First, like the Quest 2, you will find that the Quest Pro is a standalone piece of equipment that doesn't compel tethering to a PC that would restrict the wearer's mobility. Like the ancient Oculus Rift system, still it shows off enough power and captions that facilitate a broader variety of experiences and, in Meta's words, facilitate the metaverse. Meta disclosed its new virtual reality headset, which is called Quest Pro, during its Connect event. Formerly, it was codenamed Project Cambria. For those unaware, the Quest Pro is a huge upgrade over its ancestor Quest 2, which was inaugurated back in 2020. Meta's latest headset will most likely strive with Apple's rumored AR/VR headset. However, the corporation says it is formulated for creators and experts alike. Meta is trading the Quest Pro as a helpful tool for working remotely, but that might alter in the near future. So here, we will take a look at everything that latest virtual reality headset from Meta has to offer. Now, let's talk about its features. The newly declared Meta Quest Pro is powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Plus processor and is supported by 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Surprisingly, the screen has a resolution of 1800 by 1920 pixels per eye and gives a 90Hz refresh rate. Comparing it to the Quest 2, Meta's latest virtual reality headset sports a stronger LCD. Furthermore, rather than opting for Fresnel lenses, the Quest Pro accentuates a new optical stack and comes with various thin pancake coatings. This implies that the new headset can decrease the depth of the module by nearly half while enhancing the all-around image quality. Modern LCDs utilize local dimming and quantum dot technology to generate sharper and brighter colors. Meta explains that it has formulated a custom dimming explanation that regulates more than 500 independent LED lights, which the corporation contends boosts the difference by over 75%. As a result, Meta Quest Pro gives 37% more pixels per inch and 10% more pixels per degree if we compare it to the Meta Quest 2. Also, users can directly enjoy 25% boosted full-field visual sharpness in the center of the screen and will witness a 50% improvement in the peripheral area. Furthermore, the color gamut is presently at 1.3 times larger correlated to its ancestor. This new headset has everything that you wish for. You will find that it comes with a brand new sensor stack. As we already mentioned, this new headset has high-resolution outward-facing cameras, which the corporation explains are competent to capture 4 times more details if we compare it to the Meta Quest 2. Furthermore, the mixed reality headset can presently indicate the external world in full colors and accentuates a stereoscopic mixed reality pass-through, which incorporates multiple portrayals from the cameras and gives a much more natural 3D impression of the user's environment. It certainly looks more advanced and more streamlined than even the Meta Quest 2, so you eventually won't look absurd wearing one for serious business. In addition, it's no longer front-heavy like nearly all standalone VR headsets due to the battery being relocated to the back of the strap, establishing a more balanced structure. Pancake lenses also make the whole assembly thinner, while also giving an even better view of the wearer's field of conception. More than just the layout upgrade, however, the Meta Quest Pro furthermore gives more power and flexibility in how it blends the virtual and the real. Did we tell you about the cameras? Well, this feature will certainly make you fully amazed as the full color outward facing cameras, for instance, will allow you to watch the real world beyond the headset, enabling Meta's network to integrate virtual objects with real ones or vice versa seamlessly. On the other hand, inward facing cameras can trace where your eyes are focusing and your expressions that can be indicated on your avatar's face. Even modern controllers have their cameras to maintain track of their area and position unassisted and more accurately. Now, the headset also boasts of high-res mixed reality pass-through. This feature will give you the capacity to quite precisely step into your layouts. In effect, that implies that you can, as Meta notes, walk through skyscraper designs as they're being formulated while immersing with colleagues in programs across the globe. Despite all the suspicion around the headset because of the corporation that brings it, I know you all must have been fascinated by its assertions to imitate the everyday work experience on a headset. While it feels like the initial days of headset like these, it is surprising to see just how many aspects it did well. All of these translate to a piece of metaverse-oriented equipment that gives more flexibility and choices beyond the conventional applications of VR and AR. In fact, Meta anticipates the Quest Pro more as a productivity and work equipment that can assist you in getting your business done no matter where you are in the real world. All that power arrives with a substantial price, though. $1,499 to be exact. That's nearly 4 times the price of the $399 Meta Quest 2. But it also stores a lot more elements. Still, it's a costly investment even for corporations that might be eligible to pay for it, particularly for a metaverse future that few people recognize. So the lines are clouding daily between the virtual and real realms, and with the inauguration of Meta's new Quest Pro headset, it has the potential to be the most in-depth crossover yet. The remarkable, sleek headset is formulated to cross the void between your physical area and the virtual world, making it simpler to experience the metaverse and cooperate on design notions across the globe, which is what Meta remarks. What do you think about the Meta Quest Pro headset? Do they define a new experience of virtual reality? Let us know in the comments section below and make sure to stay tuned to Techque for more!